Hi, fam. So, yesterday, you also what happened in Nyayo Stadium. There's this jet that caused panic. Mpaka the president alikuwa scared. Okay, you can see the two generals who are standing
President Ruto
next
and
to the
other
president who are not
dignitaries
scared because they are used to this kind of drills and this kind of noises in combat and things like that. But for the rest of us or the rest of the normal people who don't know, this was most likely a Northrop F-5 Tiger II fighter jet. And it's an older version of jets that were created, or rather they were developed, or rather they were manufactured about 50 years ago. This is it belongs to an older generation of jet fighters compared to the new jets that nowadays they have the capability of hovering around and flying low with low pressure. So it doesn't mean that the newer jets don't make as much as the louder noises. They still do, but with the technology and all that, and the engine precision, things like that, makes them um, much easier to control for the pilots who are flying them. And also, they don't make as much loud noise as the Northrop F-5 Tiger II jet does. So the F-5 Tiger II jets, the reason why most of the time that the Kenyan Army uses them, mostly they use them for training and drills like the one that happened yesterday in Jamhuri Day. But in most cases, these jets, they are used for this kind of occasions because they are fast, they are dependable, and they are dependable and they are fast, and they are powerful. And that's why you see they wreaked havoc when they flew low in residential areas. That's why you see these cracked walls, these shattered windows, and it can also cause damages to sometimes to people with heart conditions or things like that, or those who have serious health implications. So I just thought that you should know this because there are people who, they don't understand why this happened. So these kind of jets, the Northrop F-5 Tiger II jets are not meant to fly low in residential places. And I think the best thing for our government and the Kenya Army, whenever they want to pull these kind of drills, if they still want to use the jet, I think it's better to take some cautions to make sure that they don't flow in lower altitudes than they are supposed to, because this is what we're gonna see in most of the cases and most of the time. So I hope that the people, or rather the generals, the majors, the event planners who's gonna plan for the next public event, they'll put this caution into caution. Is it caution? They'll put this into consideration to make sure that we don't have this kind of damages. So the lucky thing, or the nice thing, is that nobody was hurt or nothing like that, just some minor damages, and people lost some few windows. So I hope the government can help them fix it.